We are right now in Sherwood Regional Library here in Alexandria. We partner with AARP to provide tax help to seniors and other people who live along our Route 1 corridor to help them do their taxes online. They are all trained on the tax software, and so you can be really confident that they know what to do to help persons who need to do their taxes online. It's very popular. Sometimes when we first get started, the lines outside the front door are all the way down to the sidewalk. People get in line and they come upstairs, they wait in our foyer area, they each get a number, and then they are helped throughout the day. The service runs straight through tax day till April 15th, or if there's a weekend thing, it'll be a little different. But they've been doing it for 20 years, and we hope they'll be doing it for 20 more.